from the Tara the Foodie test kitchen, AKA home. So I just wanted to share with you something that I made for dinner this evening. We had a really busy night and I needed to come up with something that I could make ahead of time that we could have for dinner later. I decided to put together, I think for the first time, calzones. So it was actually really fun to make. Made the pizza dough that I made for the barbecue chicken pizza that you can find on my channel as well. And really just kind of sectioned it out into little balls, pressed them out into circles and filled them with some amazing filler. I'm gonna take them out of the oven right now and see what they look like. They sure smell good. And right here, just warmed up some pizza sauce from the jar. It was called Mids, which is a local company that makes really good pasta sauce. So when I saw they had pizza sauce, I immediately grabbed that. We're gonna open this up and here are the remaining calzones. I made 6 of them. So
I ate one.
You ate one?
Quickly.
And I will cut into them so that you can see what they look like. Now, you have a job to do. If you want me to make a little video for you and show you how to make these, let me know in the comments below. I want to know what you guys want to see. If these look good to you, I can make them again on video for you. I did 2 different kinds. So I will show you the insides and tell you what I filled them with. But the great thing about these is that it's sort of a blank canvas. You can really just take whatever you like to have on a pizza, kind of mix it all up and add some ricotta cheese and some other, whatever cheese you like. You just sort of make this amazing filling, kind of like you would do with like ravioli or something like that. And then just put it in the pizza dough and it turns out amazing. So, cut into these so you can see the cross section. Who doesn't like a good cross section, huh? And got this one here. This one has bell pepper, onion, sausage, pepperoni, and then a couple of cheeses, ricotta cheese and mozzarella cheese. And then just some good olive oil, salt and pepper. And this one, you could just, this has sausage in it as well. But you could leave out the sausage and it could be a vegetarian one if you'd like. This one is amazing. I think this one's my favorite. This one has spinach, baby bella mushrooms, onions, garlic. This one has garlic too, by the way. And then the sausage in with that, and then the ricotta and the mozzarella cheese. Just bursting with flavor. And these are nice because you can pick them up and eat them if you want, or, knife and fork it. And then, like I said, just heat up your favorite pizza sauce or marinara sauce, and you've got yourself an easy dinner that I am hoping that everybody loves. I just wanted to share with you what I came up with tonight. You let me know if you want to see a video on this, and I will see you soon.